Hey everyone! Welcome back to Zero Diabetes Zone. If you're looking to take control of your diabetes with fitness, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about workouts that are perfect for people managing diabetes. So, grab your water bottle and let's dive in. First things first, why is exercise so important when managing diabetes? Well, regular physical activity helps your body use insulin more efficiently, which can help lower blood sugar levels. It's also fantastic for managing your weight, improving your heart health, and giving you that overall energy boost we all need.
Before we jump into the workout, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider. You want to ensure the exercises you're doing are safe and effective for your specific condition. Always check your blood sugar before and after your workout, and stay hydrated. Alright, let's get started with a simple 5-minute warm-up. We're going to march in place to get that heart rate up, and then do some gentle arm circles. Warming up is key because it preps your muscles and joints for more intense activity. Now let's move on to some low-impact aerobic exercises. These are great because they help boost your heart rate without putting too much strain on your joints. We're going to do step touch for 30 seconds, followed by some side lunges. Ready? Let's go.
Next up is strength training. Building muscle is super helpful because muscle cells use more glucose, which helps lower your blood sugar. Today, we'll do some bicep curls, squats with dumbbells, and a resistance band row. Try doing 3 sets of 10 reps each. Let's not forget our core. A strong core improves your balance and stability, which is super helpful for managing your blood sugar. We're going to do some seated leg lifts and planks. Don't worry if you can't hold the plank for long, just do what you can. Now that we've worked up a sweat, it's time to cool down. Stretching after a workout is just as important as warming up. It helps improve flexibility and reduces muscle soreness. Consistency is key when it comes to managing diabetes with exercise. Try setting small, achievable goals, like working out 3 times a week. And don't forget to mix it up. Whether it's going for a walk, cycling, or doing strength training at home, variety will keep things interesting. Alright, that's it for today's workout. Remember, every bit of movement counts when it comes to managing your diabetes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to Zero Diabetes Zone for more fitness tips, meal plans, and health advice. See you next time.